In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with contra entries in Xero. A contra entry is handy when you both owe and are owed money by the same contact, like a supplier who is also your customer. Instead of moving cash in and out, you offset one amount against the other, so only the net movement shows in your bank reconciliation. Here's how to record that cleanly in Xero. Start by opening Xero and heading to your bank account's reconcile screen. You'll be looking at the bank statement lines that need attention. Find the line that represents the net contra movement you want to clear. If the exact amount isn't obvious, double check your invoices and bills first so you're confident you're matching the right figure. When you're on the bank line, open the details and enter the contact in the field labeled Who. Search for the person or business that appears on both your sales and purchases. Using the same contact record you use on invoices and bills keeps your reporting consistent and makes it easier to trace later. If you can't find the contact, confirm the spelling or that the contact exists in your Xero list before proceeding. Next, set the What field to suspense. This routes the bank line to a temporary holding account so you can offset it internally against the related invoices and bills. Many teams use a dedicated contra clearing account for the same purpose. If your chart of accounts includes one, select that instead of suspense. Because this is an internal movement rather than income or an expense, make sure the tax setting for this line is appropriate for your jurisdiction. Typically no tax on clearing entries. If you're unsure, check with your accountant or follow your organization's accounting policy. In the Why field, type contra. Add a bit of context so future you or your reviewer instantly knows what this relates to. For example, the month, the customer supplier name, or the invoice and bill references tied to the offset. Clear descriptions save time during month-end reviews and audits. Once everything looks right, the amount matches your records, the contact is correct, the account is set to suspense or your contra clearing account, and the description is meaningful, confirm the entry by clicking OK. Xero will post the transaction and mark that bank line as reconciled. That's it. You've captured the bank side of a contra entry neatly and traceably. Keep your documentation handy, and if your workflow involves clearing the offset within your ledgers, follow your internal process to complete that part. With these steps, your reconciliation stays tidy and your audit trail stays strong.